Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money to your ST exchange app, right? So you want to deposit money. I'm just going to show you how to copy your deposit address and send it to whosoever that is depositing the funds for you. But before we get started in this video, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever I post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your home page on your XT exchange app. So right now you'll be seeing the home here, the market, trade, futures and asset right here. So right now all you're needing to do right now is just click on the assets. Once you click on the asset, you'll be seeing transfer, withdraw and deposit. Remember, in this video I'm only going to be showing you how to deposit money to your wallet address, how to copy your deposit address also. So right now you're just going to click on this deposit right here. Once you click on this deposit, this is where it becomes interesting, right? You can choose whichever deposit options and token you want to go with. You can either go with this or you go with ST coin, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, BNB and Solana, whichsoever token you want to go in with. Alright, but in this video I'm going to be going in with USDT, which is the recommended one. So I'll click on it. So once I click on it, you can see the network address here, which is the Tron TRC20. You can see the BNB, the Ethereum, the Sol and the TXT smart chain right here. So this is where it becomes important too, because you need to ask the sender which network is he or she using, right? So you always need to ask the sender. Anybody depositing money to your wallet address, you need to ask the person which network he or she is using. So if the person is using Tron USDT, you always need to copy the Tron USDT, because any wrong address copied and you transfer the funds to that address, that money has been lost forever. You can't retrieve it again. So for example, in this video I'm going to be going with the BNB smart chain, so I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, now you can see right here I'll just copy the wallet address. Once I copied, you can see successfully copied right here. So right now I can now go ahead and send my wallet address to the person depositing my funds for me in my T exchange app. This is the simplest way of depositing money to your T exchange app. I hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you're still watching this video up to then, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.